Well, into this New Year's sober. Drinking was my biggest problem. And I haven't stopped. I prayed to God, so like, give me the strength. So this whole New Year, I'm gonna be sober. Booze was my last vice. Yeah, and I haven't stopped praying for snow, and I keep getting my snow, so I'll keep praying for it. Stop. The only time I've seen a little bit of snow in Vancouver, and yeah, so I'm not stopping for the snow. Praying for snowstorms and snow. All I got. All I got is God right now. Amen.